Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your TCL 306. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, try searching for an app. Microsoft Edge. Hit the search button. Install this app. After installation process is complete, we can open the app. Here you can customize it by signing up to other Microsoft Edge account in order to synchronize them. You can add account or sign up to new one. Now sign in later. Here you can also enable data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disable it and confirm. Use the Microsoft Edge browser as default one. If you want, press yes, let's do it. If not, no thanks. So let's do it actually. Let's set it up as default browser. Find browser app, select Edge, go back. And here it is. It should be working. Let's open any website. As you can see, it works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.